NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see what has happened. The price reached 18,313 and then formed a bullish breakouts here, reached 18843 and then continued to rise in value again. We can see what has happened here. Now the price formed another bullish breakout above 19,125.88 and continued to rise in value and reached 90,500, which is also a very important resistance level. The week looks bullish after the previous week was completely bearish. The price has bounced from this very important support level, and you can see it is a monthly support at 18,313. The month looks similar like the previous month, but a little bit smaller. A bullish pin bar with a larger wick on the lower side and a smaller wick on the upper side. But we need to remember that this month has 2 more weeks to go, so this month could change this formation. It could also go above 20,000, where we can see it is a very important resistance level for the price in order to continue to rise in value. For now, it is indecision. We need to go to the weekly and the daily to see how this looks. Now we can see the price formed this bullish breakout, which has invalidated the previous week a bearish breakout below this very important support level, and then the price stopped right here where these 2 candles body and did not go above a very important level, this one here, which is 19,706. We can see that much important resistance level is right here, 19,500, where the price has stopped on the daily time frame. So in order to continue to rise in value and to continue to reach higher price levels, for example 20,000, which is a very important resistance level for the monthly time frame, we need to see the price go above, and also a smaller resistance levels which are visible on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. These levels needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. But also if the price goes below this one, below this support, this resistance level, and reaches this support, or for example this support, the price will continue to fall down even more and reach the next support level around this one, 19125. What will happen? It is very important to see on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame how the price behaves, because when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout on the lower time frames, it is visible where the price will go on the daily time frame, on the long term, where the price will go. Will it go to the upwards, reaching again resistance levels, or it will go reaching a support levels? This analysis will be shared with the traders community on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. The link will be below in the description, so if you would like to join, feel free to check it. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.